Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to SKJ Review. Are you tired of the endless grind? You've built websites, tried SEO, run paid ads, but still no rankings? You're not alone. So many people are wasting time and money without getting real results. But what if I told you there's one tool that eliminates all these problems instantly? Today we're reviewing ThinkHubs AI, the world's first AI course creation platform that builds and sells courses in minutes. This isn't just another AI tool. It's your complete course creation and automation hub. Imagine this. No research needed, no tech skills required, no hiring freelancers, no third-party dependencies ever. ThinkHubs AI creates best-selling high-quality AI courses and fully automated profit-pulling course websites in under 60 seconds. Just one click activates your AI courses and course websites. Here's what makes it revolutionary. Create unlimited AI courses in any niche or language. Get fully AI-powered automated course websites. Start your AI course business in 60 seconds and never spend on paid traffic again with their built-in automated traffic tool. The magic doesn't stop there. ThinkHubs AI comes packed with incredible features that make it an absolute game changer. You get built-in AI quiz and assignment generators, AI course writer, AI chatbot tutor, and AI assessment creator, all working together to create the perfect learning experience. Plus, you're getting fully automated sites with ready-to-sell over 450 plus DFY AI courses. No technical headaches either. 100% cloud-based, no downloads or installs. And get this, free hosting with no domain required. That's right. You can sell AI courses worldwide and get paid instantly without any infrastructure costs. But here's what really excites me, the commercial license included. This means you can create and sell high-demand AI courses to clients and keep 100% of the profits. Start your own seven-figure course website design agency or AI course agency without any effort. And the best part? No monthly recurring fees. Just a low one-time price, and you profit forever. They've even built in free dedicated SSL encryption for secure. Let me break down some of the most powerful features that make ThinkHubs AI an absolute powerhouse. The one-click course assistant instantly turns any idea or keyword into a complete, ready-to-sell course. No more staring at blank screens. Then there's the AI-powered course builder that automatically generates high-quality lessons, modules, quizzes, and resources. The auto website creator instantly builds professional, sales-optimized course websites. No coding needed whatsoever. And you get access to their DFY templates library with dozens of done-for-you layouts for any niche or topic. But wait, there's more. The built-in AI writer creates engaging, human-like course content, scripts, and descriptions that actually connect with students. Plus, video and audio integration lets you add AI-generated voiceovers or videos to your lessons in just one click. Here's what really sets it apart. Multi-niche support. Create courses for any niche: marketing, fitness, finance, health, coaching, and more. The smart monetization system lets you add payments, upsells, and subscriptions effortlessly. And for my SEO friends, this is gold. ThinkHubs AI creates SEO-optimized course pages that drive organic traffic and rank higher on Google automatically. Plus, multi-language support means you can create and sell global courses instantly. The drag-and-drop editor lets you fully customize your course pages without any design skills. And being 100% cloud-based, you can access your dashboard from anywhere. No downloads or installs ever needed. But here comes the best part. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the OEOs and how you can maximize your results with ThinkHubs AI. The front-end product is incredible, but the OEOs take it to a whole new level. We've got OTO 1, the unlimited edition that removes all restrictions. Create unlimited courses, websites, and students. Then OEO 2, the automation suite that adds automated marketing funnels and email sequences. OTO 3, the agency license lets you run your own course creation agency with white label options. OTO 4, the reseller rights gives you complete rights to sell ThinkHubs AI itself and keep 100% profits. And OTO 5, the premium training provides advanced strategies to scale your course business to 7 figures. But here's my honest recommendation. Even if you just get the front end, you're getting insane value. The OEOs are optional, but they can seriously accelerate your results. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, will this really work for me? Let me be straight with you. The 30-day money-back guarantee makes this completely risk-free. If you don't get the results you want, just request a refund. No hassles, no problems. Think about it. You've tried everything else already. Traditional methods that take months of work and thousands of dollars. This is your chance to leverage AI technology that does 90% of the work for you. You deserve to finally see real results. Ready for the final part, where I show you exactly what to do next? So what should you do now? Click my affiliate link in the description below. It'll take you directly to the ThinkHubs AI sales page where you can get started for just a one-time low price. Remember, there are no monthly fees and you're covered by that ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. I want you to imagine this. 1 week from now, you could have multiple AI courses created and selling automatically while you focus on growing your business. No more tech struggles. No more content creation headaches, just pure profit. This is your moment to finally break through and build the online business you've been dreaming about. Take that first step. Click the link and get started right now. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below telling me what you thought about this video and what business you're currently in. Your feedback helps me create better content for you. If you found this review helpful, please do me a huge favor. Like this video, share it with your friends and relatives who might benefit, and subscribe to SKJ Review. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day.